Hey guys, so today we will be unboxing Nikon Coolpix P1000. Finally, here it is. As you can see, box looks like in every other Nikon Coolpix camera, besides it's a little bit larger than usual. In the box we find Nikon snap bridge manual, Nikon Coolpix P1000 itself manual, and warranty information. That's all in terms of paperwork. Then there is another section in where we find Nikon strap that looks like in Nikon DSLRs, adapter for charger, sun protection element for the lens, and charger itself. And lastly, battery. Then camera itself, Nikon Coolpix P1000. I have to say that camera looks and feels very solid. Looks like there is a lot of metal parts in it, but unfortunately it's very big and very heavy. It's even heavier than I expected it to be, but 125 times optical zoom, have to wait a little bit. Unfortunately, no protection glass on the LCD, but screen seems good quality. So that's all in terms of what's in the box of Nikon Coolpix P1000. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel because there will be a lot of reviews and comparison with Nikon Coolpix P1000. A lot of them really, so don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching and see you later.